guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to shave your face properly. So in this video I will be adding everything that you need to do before and after shaving the face. So this video is totally dedicated to how to shave your face properly. So if you are interested if you are interested, then keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I love creating content on fashion and beauty. So yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I guess it will be very helpful for many females. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you can check out my profile. I will add the handler and like the link to everything in the description box. So let's begin the video without wasting any further time. Let's begin by answering the most asked questions. First question that is asked a lot is which blade to use. So further in the video where I am adding a demo how I am shaving my face, so there I will show you. It's a big tinkle blade, so it's a pack of 3 blades and one blade lasts somewhere around 5 to 6 months for me. So coming on to the second question, that is where do you get your blades from. It's easily available on any stores, which if you go out then you will get it on many stores, and you can easily get it on Amazon. I will add the link in the description. It is a pack of 3 and I guess you get it on Miniso as well. You can go to any general store and you will easily get a razor. That is fine. So the next question that many people ask me is how often do you have to shave. For me, I do it once a week, or sometimes twice, once in 2 weeks, because I generally shave once I have to film any video. That is generally on Saturday. So what I do, I prep my skin properly on a Friday. The demo I am adding in the video, in the further part, that is the shaving I did yesterday, because yesterday was my son's birthday. So I was getting ready, so I thought why not shave my face properly and give a clean canvas to my face for my makeup as well. So yes, that I did yesterday. So answering your question, and again that depends on the growth. Again, one more thing guys, I will add before shaving or trying anything, that you guys make sure that you test a patch on your hand, on your legs, anywhere you feel is not your skin is not that sensitive, because you need to test before using it on your face. You might be allergic, so yes, I will urge you to test somewhere, then you start using it on your face. Question that is the heroes of all the questions that everyone will ask, that if your hair will grow thicker, manlier, more harsher or something like that. Guys, that doesn't happen, because for me also, initially when I was very skeptical and I am following many beauty gurus, and I was thinking should I do it. Even I was very skeptical about it, should I do it or should I not do it. Then I thought why not give it a try. Again, as I said, I tested on my arm little bit and I was feeling fine, and then I tested a little patch over here, then I to see if it's not reacting on my face, then again it was fine. So guys, that doesn't happen. I am shaving from around 2 months now, because before filming this video I wanted to make sure that it's not reacting or it's not bad, and my hair has not grown thicker, manlier, and I don't have a man beard. So yeah, that doesn't happen. You guys can shave. So yeah, answering that question, don't ask me again your hair will not grow thicker and bushier. About the cons of shaving, the first thing which I feel is it's extremely painless. You will not feel any pain. Talking about lasers or waxing, it hurts a lot. I am so glad that I found this. I found how to shave my face properly and how to do my muche. So yeah, that works wonderfully for me. And then second, it's very hygienic if you are like sanitizing and washing your blades properly. So it's very useful. And third, like you are not spending that much amount, like you are not spending but lots of money on like waxing, doing lasers and everything. You have to do like even what I felt like even with even with like some people, not some people, even I used to do that. I used to wax my upper lip, and I got to know that you should not do it, because this is the most sensitive part of your skin, like your face, and then you are putting hot wax over there and you are peeling it off. Like it's harming your skin a lot. Like right now, if you are young, you will not feel it, but once you get adult, like if you are elder, and this thing will start drooping, you don't want that. You want a firm skin. So yeah, I will like definitely suggest. Again, it's up to you, like how you want to proceed with it. If you guys want to shave, or if you guys want to do waxing, threading, up to you. Like I am sharing what I feel is best. Okay, so I am adding the demo where I will show you how to shave your face properly, what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Have to be very careful, like don't cut yourself, like because it's like I know I am very close to your screen, because I wanted to show you guys how to do it properly. You can even do your like upper lips a bit, not more, but yes, you can trim like little bit of peach fuzz and everything is there. Then you can work on it on a little bit using this same blade only. Using very light and gentle hand, you have to do it. You don't have to do press like this, or you don't have to go very harsh and very like like play it very smoothly, very nicely, because like your skin is very sensitive. Do not cut yourself. I will repeat again, like try it once, like on a small patch of hair on your hand or somewhere, like to see if you are not reacting to a blade, because I started off like that only. I like right now my arm is also also shaved, so like you cannot see anything on my arm. But again, like if you are starting out, then you can start this way. And sometimes what I do, I like to shape my brows as well. Like I did it like 2-3 days back only, so you can see like how properly my eyebrows are shaped. So I will show you little bit how to do it. Don't go overboard with it, because we cannot beat our parlor wali didis, because they do it the best. So like in this quarantine time, you just want to look presentable and all. I know it's very gross, but my peach fuzz. And I don't shave that often. I do it like every once in a week, or like sometimes twice in a week, and that totally depends on your hair growth. Like by the way, because my hair growth is very like it's very less, and I don't have that much hair, so that yes, it works for me. Then that you have to again identify for yourself. So yes, I'm done with the shave, and can you see how smooth my skin is looking? I absolutely love it. Just saw the demo how to shave your face properly, and there are so many cons for that, as I described in the initial part of the video. If you guys have any question, you can directly come to me on Instagram. You can DM me, or you can ask me in the comment section down below. Please hit the like and hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot. And उसके साथ जो bell icon है, please उसको भी दबा दीजिए, ताकि like whenever I am posting a video, you guys will get a notification. So yes, with that I am signing off. I hope you like this video, and yeah, do let me know like if you want to like watch something like that, and if you have something in mind you want me to make, that also you can let me know. Okay, bye, take care.